For today's video mga kabiyot-poneras, narito ang latest sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Pambato ng Pilipinas na si Zina Ramos, umutya ng Pilipinas Charity, spotted airport send-off departure look in a red gown para sa Miss Global 2025 Philippines representative. Gaganapin ang Miss Global 2024-25 in Cambodia and Thailand mula February 29 hanggang March 9 ngayong taon. The final show will be held in Thailand on March 9, 2025. Zina Ramos is a licensed architect mula Pasig. Siya ang ikalawang Pinay na ipapadala sa Miss Global after she tore Miss Crown in 2022. Makuha kaya ni Zina at manalo siya for the second crown of Miss Global 2025. Narito ating panoorin.
My name is Zina Ramos, Philippines!
What can we expect from you for this competition?
We will truly go global this time. This is international, and since this is aligned to our purpose, which is giving women a voice, I'm sure that we will do great, and I'm ready to learn from my other candidates and also to the Miss Global organization.
Any last preparation?
Last preparation, ready na po tayo sumakay sa aeroplano. So, no more preparation. I'll be doing my training still for Q&A and after pasarela in my hotel. We will have time.
Mga Bioconeras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.